Go. Click, clap, pull it. Click, clap, pull it. Click, click.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is video of Cadence software tutorials, and in this video we saw how to convert some tools. So first we open Cadence software, and in this video we go on tool and convert. We show convert some Gerber to NC, NC to Gerber, raster to vector, draw to polygon, composite to layer. Sometimes customer Gerber is not flexible for our editing or in production, so we make a change as per our production and as per our software. Like we have one BBT bareboard testing or flying probe testing or universal testing machine. Then we want to make net list as per our flying probe machine, and some software is not support like raster. Like this decode is my raster, so this is polygon raster, and this is provided of this. Then some software is not support raster to make a net list. Then we want to change this raster to polygon or raster to line for support of the software. So we use a tool and convert of decode. So important of this conversion is this. So first we control home, and I have some layer. This is my coffer layer, this is my legend, masking layer, and NC layer, and this 5 and 6 is not used for this tutorial. So first we delete. For delete any layer, we go on set of layer and select on it and cut, and this is also not used for us, and we also cut it and OK and yes. So we delete 5th and 6th layer of this Gerber. Now we have 3 Gerber and 1 NC layer. So first we go on tool for conversion, tool and convert. And in most of production house we use just Gerber to NC, NC to Gerber, raster to vector, and draw to polygon, and composite to layer. So first we start with Gerber to NC, and for Gerber to NC we show first this is my masking layer, and this all are flash. If you want to show the property of this decode, then we zoom it and we right click on it. So this is my flash, I click on it. This is also my flash, this is also flash. So this all masking layer make by only flash. If I want to convert to an NC layer, and this layer is NC layer, this called NC layer. I am set color blue for visibility. Right click, set all tools and blue. OK. Control R for home. So this is my masking layer of flash decode. So if I want to make this flash layer to NC layer, then we just go on tool, convert, and Gerber to NC. So I have one dialog box, and it is of Gerber to NC layer. So here I have two options. One option is source layer, so I may take my source layer as masking layer. This is my masking layer. I want to do this Gerber layer to NC layer conversion, so I may set my source layer is masking layer, and my destination layer mean it is my output is in which layer. So fourth layer is already my NC layer, so I don't want to destination layer as layer 4, so I may set here layer number 6. So this is output is my here, this in this layer, so I'm going OK. So this is my NC layer. So I may make a flash to drill. So this is my NC layer. Now I may check property of this, the property of this. So this is property, and this is type drill. And I am also on this my source layer 3. Then we have two options. One is, this is my layer 3, this is layer 3, and it is in layer 3 this decode is flash, and in layer 6 we make, and it is our destination layer, it is this decode is drill. Both sizes are same, 4.203, and in also drill layer the tool size is 4.203. We check another one. If I am take this, then here also we have two type. One is flash on layer 3 and second is drill on layer 6, and size of both are same, 2.003. It is decode, and it is tool number 14, and its value is also 2.003. So okay, so control R. So we make here Gerber to ANSI layer, mean flash to drill, by this option, and we also make ANSI layer to Gerber layer. If I want to convert this ANSI layer to our Gerber layer, from destination layer is 8, then first we go on tool, convert, and ANSI layer to Gerber. Here we have also here also we have two options. One is my source layer, and I am select my source layer is 6. So I am take here 6, and my destination I want to layer number 8. It is here. So we convert ANSI to Gerber. So in layer number 8 we have all are in flash layer, not in drill layer, because I am make a convert. Okay. So this is my layer number 8, and this all are flash. If I am check a property, then this is flash. If I am on both layer number 8 is destination, and my source layer is 6, and it is ANSI layer. Now I am click on it, then I have two options. Here we have three layer on, so we got 3 layer. It is layer number 3 is also on, so first I am off it, and now we have only 2 layer. This is my source layer, and this is my destination layer, ANSI layer to Gerber layer. So now I am right click on it, and we have two options, one is drill and flash. Our source layer is layer number 6, and it is drill layer, so drill, and we convert it in Gerber, so we got in flash, and it is layer number 8. So this is a conversion of ANSI to Gerber, and Gerber to ANSI to Gerber, and Gerber to ANSI. This is two conversion. After this we take some more example. Here we have one which is raster to vector. So raster to vector, for this we first open some copper layer, and most of the raster is available in copper layer for our ground area. In money design we make a ground area, and for ground area we make a raster in Gerber. So first check property of this. So this is property, this is polygon or raster. It is in polygon, and R for raster. Take this is also raster, polygon raster. Here we take, it is also raster, it's also raster. So in some production house we make some netlist for check. After netlist for checking in Flying Probe and BBT, Flying Probe BBT universal machine, and some software like KM350 we make some netlist on KM350 also, and KM350 without license it don't make a netlist of any raster, and it's make then some we got some problem from raster. So first we convert the raster file to the line or draw, and then we make netlist. So for this changes first we go home, and after this we go on tools, convert, and raster to vector. Here we have this dialog box, and here conversion control. So first we set our layer. We want to the change in copper layer, and it is layer number 1 this, and we have option vector fill pattern. We want to solid here, and border decode we also set decode of border, but we set 2.5 by default. It is a border of this, like here is border, it is border, and I am set decode of this border. I am decode 10 and fill code. If this is area of this ground and it is filled with this decode, and it is also we set 10 decode. And we have fields style horizontal and insert. In horizontal this decode is like this, in x-axis and horizontal like this. And we now we set all and go click on OK. So raster polygon too small to convert with border decode 10, we are left unchanged. Click on OK. OK. So now this is my layer 1 and we convert it. So now we check on it. If I right click on this, then this is my draw. Here is no any raster. Draw, and this is we set decode of D10 and its value is 250, and it is draw, and it is filled by horizontal. We set horizontal, so this line horizontal, all horizontal line. So here we convert raster to draw for our production. Now we have other option, composite to layer. If we have any composite layer, then we don't work on composite layer. So for composite layer on other software, so we first make to composite to layer. So first we make for example, first we make one composite layer. For composite layer, first I make one composite layer. For composite layer I am set one decode. Add a rectangle. We make in last video we make how to make composite. If you want to show how to make composite, then see this video, how to make composite. This is the option of composite. We make new composite. Here is our rectangle, and this is my masking. We clear it and OK. So this is my composite layer, and now we don't work on it composite like this. We don't any show flash, not any draw. It is composite layer, so we don't edit in this composite layer. So first we convert this composite layer to simple layer, and after that we make a addition. So how to convert this composite layer to simple layer, we show it. So for this we go on tools, convert, in composite to layer. We have here one composite. So first we select composite and OK, and destination layer we set 10 here and OK. So this is now my composite layer, and I also zoom it and take any option. This is my single layer, and this is my composite layer. It is both layer. If I am zoom it, then it is not visible like this. And if I am open this one layer, then it is both layer is open, and we don't visible for editing. So we first make this composite layer to simple layer, and this is my simple layer. It is so this is conversion of unit. We saw some usable conversion, not all. So thank you guys.